Okay, I'm sure a lot of people aren't going to understand this, but this is in regards to a 2004 Volvo XC70. I'm completely redone the air conditioning system over here. Took it apart all the way, scrubbed it out, replaced both the heater core and the evaporator cores. The older ones are sitting here on the table. Replaced the everything I could. Of course, naturally the foam on the top has been deteriorating. There's foam that goes up here. There's foam that goes over here. There's two pieces of ring foam that I have to go on here, but I have to clean those off first. The front goes to a Y distribution system. There's a giant piece of foam that goes on here, which I'll show you from the other side. That's for the fresh air intake. The thing on the bottom right there, that's actually the fan motor. These pipes were real fun to get back in there. They fought me all the way, but had to put them in there. Oh, and if you're looking for this clip right here, for some reason, these clips are actually 70 bucks. I don't know why they're so expensive. This is a piece of metal, but that's how it goes. This thing over here actually splits in half with a clamp. What you have to do is you have to take it off right here. Take this air piece pops out, and then there's 3 screws right here. And I actually went to Home Depot and bought these O-rings right here. They're faucet rings. They're the same size because I didn't feel like paying that much for mine. These are the old ones here in the bag. This is the actual foam tape that I used over here, because the company that I ordered from before FCP Europe that kind of messed up my order. This foam tape here is a little bit too thick, but this is the original foam tape right here. This looks too puny. Anyway, all the foam pieces I got, they're all made in Germany, which is amazing. This over here is the one piece that actually has 2 holes right here and right here. It actually goes, that right there is just a air filter. I can install that from the passenger side. These are self-adhesive foams. These are the actual foam pieces right here. This is the one that goes on top. This is the one that goes in next to it right here. And then these are the other pieces over here. This is another thicker pieces of foam right here. These two go together, I believe. One goes on top of the other one. Those are for the evaporator core pipes. And these are the 2 little side vents right here. I could put those on without taking out the system, but I figured I'm going to order it anyway. This over here is the one piece that was expensive. This is the one on the outside ventilation. I'll show you where that goes. And this is the bulb, a little blue bulb for the what the Volvo calls the antenna ring. That was really expensive. And let's see. Oh, here it is right here. This is the fresh air intake from the outside right here. And when I say the antenna ring, we're trying to run out of time. This is the piece I'm talking about right here. It's actually just labeled with 1, 2, and 3, and it goes around your key when you start the car. There's a little bulb in the back side of this, so you don't have to buy this entire assembly. All right, bye.